In this video, we're going on a trip to an island called Prison Island in Africa, and you'll see some interesting clips of the world's biggest turtles. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I am here in a hotel room in Zanzibar. It's an island in Africa, off of the east coast of Tanzania, in the southeast part of Africa. I came to this part of the world recently, and in this video we're gonna be going on a boat out to one of the islands where you can see these really huge turtles. I think they only exist here, and also on the island, the Galapagos Islands. So that will be really exciting. I'm gonna meet some of my friends that I met here recently down in the lobby of the hotel, and then we will be heading out. We're going to the ferry terminal that is located over here, just like a few minute walk. So I'm gonna be going down to the lobby now to meet these friends. I'm here outside the hotel now, Smiles Stone Town Hotel. We will be going to this island, total of 5 people, and it costs 70,000 shilling. Pretty cheap actually. I think it's a 2 or 3 hour trip. So we're gonna be introducing all the people here also. Fee is back.
Oh shit!
Her cousin is also here.
I'm legit.
He needs to find parking. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Here is the next person, Wangui from Kenya.
Hey.
I just met her also, and she's coming on the trip. And also Marie is also coming on this boat trip from Germany. Yeah. We were in the biggest city on the island of Zanzibar, called Stone Town. There is a big shipping port by the town, where we will take a boat out to the famous Prison Island. Alright, so we are here now on the beach, and we will be taking the boat from here. This is the ferry terminal also, and you can take the ferry from here into Dar es Salaam, which is on the mainland of Tanzania, and I think it might be the biggest city in Tanzania. I'm not sure, but I think so. Now we're getting on the boat. We're still waiting for the other people, but there's shade under here. I'm starting to get fried, deep fried. Oof. We got on a boat about 10 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. The boat ride will be about 30 minutes out to the island.
Oh my god, this is crazy. Woo! Okay. Come on. I hate Dar es Salaam. It's so busy. Yeah?
Now we're all on board. Time to head out now with the captain. We were in Tanzania, close to the equator and with perfect weather all year. Zanzibar is a famous tourist island in this part of the world, and the day trip was taking us out to a smaller island. Oh, I can see the island now, but the boat is shaking a lot. Here comes the pirate!
Oh my god!
Watch out for the pirate! Oh! We have arrived to the island. Took about 25 minutes, I think. I did feel a little bit seasick, but not too bad. So this island is actually called Prison Island, and it was never a prison, but they did take people that had cholera to this island to stay in quarantine, because cholera is a really deadly bacteria. And I think throughout Africa, cholera has been persistent for a long time, but in the recent years it's starting to not be so widely spread anymore. We had finally arrived to Prison Island, about 10 kilometers or 0.6 miles off of the island. This is Hemedi. You work here on the island,
Yeah,
right?
working. Yeah.
Okay. And he says that the turtles, they've been here for how long have the turtles been?
10 years now I'm here.
The
For me,
turtles?
I'm here for 10 years. But them, they
The turtles
they've
are
been
hundreds
here
of
for
thousands of years.
Hundreds of years.
1,000 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Years. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is where we bought our ticket. We had to pay an additional 10,000 shilling, which is about $4 or $5 US, I think. You can also see the island of Zanzibar from here. When you come in, you get a leaf to feed the turtle with. Here we have one, huge. The giant Albrada Turtoises mainly exist in the country of Seychelles, but here outside of Zanzibar, about 100 rare turtles have their home in a sanctuary. So here we have all the huge turtles just lined up one after another. They must be about like 3-4 feet long, like a meter or so. I think I've found the biggest one now. He's sitting right here, huge. I don't know how much he weighs, may weigh probably more than me. The tortoises can get huge and weigh up to about 600 pounds or 270 kilos. And they also move really slowly. This male tortoise was on a mission to find a female. He was walking very slowly, but knew that around the corner of the path there would be a female waiting for him. He had almost found his target, but only made it about 15 meters or 50 feet. They walk so slowly because of the heavy protective shell that goes around their bodies. The female looked a bit tired, but no wonder if you have a 400 or 500 pound creature on top of your back. Great success! Let's see now if he wants the rest of my salad leaf. It was really interesting to feed the turtles, but they had some kind of razor sharp teeth that you had to watch out for. Now again, the same male tortoise from earlier was on a mission to find another female. But most of them were hanging out a bit further away. So we have one guy here, he just keeps sneaking up on the females to mate. And then they make these noises. You can hear another one over here. Can you hear it?
But she just escaped.
It's so interesting to see these turtles. It's like you can really see that they've been around for like hundreds of thousands or for sure millions of years. So they say that the dinosaurs died out about 80 million years ago, and I think these turtles look even older than dinosaurs if you think about it. Like, I think you can see when you look at animals, kind of like some animals just look so ancient, like they've been around for millions of years. I just saw that I had some leftovers of mango around my mouth.
Are you afraid of the turtles?
I want to like go past, but I don't want to get bitten.
It had been really interesting to see the tortoises, but we were heading down to the beach and also to go swimming in the really blue water. Now it's time to jump in and cool off! They are already swimming out there, so I will be joining them also and maybe see if we can see something. I put your stuff right there by my back. If we can see something underwater. Can't see anything underwater, but we'll see. after the swim, the water was so warm. Must have been like 27 Celsius. How did you like the turtles?
Oh, I love the turtles. I didn't expect to be able to get so close to them. So there was one in the entrance that I felt like it was looking at me or at us. And then we spent a lot of time sitting with it, just like being close to it.
Yeah.
And then I felt like it would maybe enjoy some physical touches, because I feel like you have to be respectful for animals, even if they are used to being around humans. But you know, some humans tend to just go there and be like, bah, bah, bah.
Yeah, that's true.
But I feel like you have to, you know, get used to it, because when you meet a human, you also want to get used to each other before you get all over each other, right?
That's true.
I'm going for a little excursion on my own here now. We just finished swimming, and here we have some animals. There's a peacock here. There's the peacock. Peacock! And also a rabbit, or no?
Miniature deer of some kind.
Peacock. It smells a bit like fire here. I'm surprised that I can smell it actually, since my sense of smell is almost non-existent. Fire. It smells pretty good. It seems like the trail ends here, so I'm gonna head back, and then we will be heading back on the boat. We have arrived back here in Zanzibar, and there are a lot of people playing football here. I did a little workout here since I'm trying to get back in shape, but this is the end of the video. In the next video, I think I will be going to Africa's biggest concert actually. There's gonna be a huge concert here, and then I will start my travels up north. So don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below this video. And also please leave the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and post a comment to let me know what you think.